So I was thinking for some time now I needed more space in my kitchen for the stuff, for the plants, for something, whatever you use in the kitchen. And I was thinking to do something nice and really easy to do. So my brilliant idea was to get some butcher block countertops, 12 feet long by 25 inches wide, and I'm just gonna cut everything, form it in the shop, cut it to length, everything, sand it there, and I'm gonna finish it right after it's installed. So here I'm gonna cut all the big pieces like of the countertop, and after that I'm gonna do the shelves. I did use my DeWalt battery powered tools, which are really nice. They work well for on-site jobs. Everything is going to plan, so these are the legs. I was thinking to do the legs like this to save more material, and it's gonna look very nice. Here I'm just cut everything to dimension. These are the shelves. This DeWalt saw it's working really good. I'm very impressed. Here I'm gonna do the supports, like some cleats for the shelving. I'm gluing this in place, and with nail gun it's gonna hold very nice. Here I'm screwing the cleats to the cabinets and to the walls, checking everything if it fits. Everything is laser level. Here I did screws on the stud. I did use the magnet finder, stud finder, to find the screws where the drywall is screwed to the stud. Here I'm drilling some holes. The cleat, the support, everything fits nice. Now I'm securing the top into place. Yeah, it's a really nice. Hey, this is Giza. Now I'm putting the shelf supports on the sides, laser level, here with nails and silicone. On the cabinet side with screws, short screws. Everything went according to plan. Now I'm putting glue and just securing the shelves, the lower shelves with nail gun. It's gonna be very strong because the higher side is gonna catch everything and it's gonna screw it together. It's gonna be very secure, even if it's just nails and glue. Even with only those, it should be plenty of strength there. So everything went very smooth according to plan. Not many extra cuts. I only did 2 extra cuts because the angle of the wall and in the corner where the lower cabinet meets the wall, I had to cut like a 1/4 inch. Now this cut of the shelf was the upper shelf, the heavier one was perfect, and now I'm securing everything with the screws. So even if I wouldn't have put glue on the lower shelves, this would secure everything. Here I put some support just in case, just because I put nails and only silicone on the side, so because I didn't hit the stud. Here I was thinking to do more enforcement, just because in time I was overthinking maybe the butcher top is gonna bend a little bit, so just for a peace of mind, and it's gonna secure anyway the bracket, the leg with the countertop, so everything looks very good. Now I'm gonna use a mineral oil, food grade. You have to do like a few layers, 2, 3, 4 layers on a 1.5 inch thickness, like this butcher block. I found this kind of oil at Home Depot only for $10. Yeah, everything looks very good, very shiny. I'm really impressed with this. It's the first time I use mineral oil on a surface like this. Usually I use a clear coat, polyurethane, Yeah, I really love how it turned out. It was a lot of work, more than I was thinking. If I would estimate, it did take double the time, but it was worth it. I think this is like a really good idea if you don't have the all the tools to really manufacture the countertop. So this is already finished. I got 3 pieces with $200 a piece, which is like $600, and the trim with everything, it takes me maybe 800 with everything. This looks really nice. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And this is how it looks after 2 days and 2 layers of mineral oil. Peace.